Hello, and in today's video we will learn how to create a logo for your store and to create and design our website for our store. So the first step is to create our logo for our store. So let's say we're selling this product right here, which I'm selling, which is a mop. The next step we do is go on Google and we use this application called Canva. If we go search it up, we can go canva.com. Then all you have to do is sign up, but I've already signed up. Once you've signed up for Canva, all you have to do is click create a design, logo, close this one. And now the way I like making my logos is just a text and a simple elements logo you can find here. So let's say we're calling it, let's say our store is called um, Essential Tools. I like to have the second word with capital. Then I like highlighting the first word with a different color than the other. Say we color it this, and then no, this color, and we color this one this. Okay, so now we have essential tools. Now I just go to elements and then I find a tool kind of element. So let's say we search tool and we find this. So I just crop it down and I put it to the left side of the text, put it a good size next to the text, and I also change the color. Let's say we change it black. And now we have a logo. Now all you have to do is download this, and this will be our logo for the store. But then we also need a favicon. And what a favicon is this little logo right here. And all I do is delete the text, zoom this in, put it in the middle of the thing, make it really big. And then I also download it too. Once you have them downloaded, put it in a safe spot in your files, and then you can click out of this. So now we go into Shopify, and we go to online store, and this is where we create our store. So now we add a theme, which is kind of the design of your website. So what you have to do is let this load. Then explore free themes, unless you want to get a paid theme. And then pick a design. Right now, I'm just going to pick the default one, which is, if I can find debut. Let's say we want the light one. Now we add it to theme library. Let it load, adding debut. And it should be loading right here. So just let it finish. You can also rename it while it's loading if you want, but I'll just leave it like this for it now. Let it load, let it load. And then you can customize it. Now this is where it gets technical. There are many things you can customize in your website. I will leave a course that goes more in depth in this, but you can, let's say, change, if you want to change this, so you add an image in this banner, all you have to go is to this button, which is this section of the page, this section. So we just click it, and now there's an image part. So if you want an image there, you can always select image, and let's say you just want to put this there. And then you click select, and now you have this there. You can change many things in this, such as the image alignment. Say you want the bottom of the image, and you have the bottom of the image. Then you can change the text, the headings, everything like that. That goes with every other part of, and section of this store. Another thing you can do is add sections. So let's say you want a gallery. It'll show you what a gallery is. If you like it, you can always press add. Okay, so now the more important stuff is the part where we need to put the favicon. All you have to do is go to theme setting, favicon, and here you just have to upload your favicon that you downloaded right here, and that will be your favicon, this little image right here for your store. And this is exactly where you create your store, and once you're done with it, you can always save it or even publish it as your main store. So, and also you can go shop now and check how your product page is looking like, and you can change that. So this is how my product page is looking with this design, but obviously I'm not using this design right now. Um, so this is what you can create with it, but right now I'll show you what I have created with my design. So if we leave this, we can go to my one, which is right here. And this is the store that I have right here. Let it load. And as you can see, I've changed a lot of things. I've added new sections, new images, and I've also put the products here. I've added the description, so this is my description here. And also this is how the reviews will look like when you have imported them. When you go to your product page, it should have stars, how much reviews you have. And if you click on it, it'll take you straight down to the reviews. Then you can always load more reviews and check them out. And you can also write a review. Another thing you can do is, oh yes, there's one thing you must do. And there's one thing that you can do with this is that you can also check different how it's going to look on different displays like iPhone. You can check how it will look like on an iPhone. So this is how it would look like on an iPhone. So you'd always know how it would look like on an iPhone. And as a desktop, you can click this one, which will put it on full screen. So it can show you how a desktop would look like. But anyway, this is how you create your store. Just saying again, I will leave another link. I'll go in depth in creating a store for your product. Okay, so that is technically the basics of creating a store for your product. In the next video, we will also learn how to, some other apps and other functions you can add. But today, that's it.